Hello all. In the previous video, we saw the difference between batch analytics and streaming analytics or real-time analytics. In this video, we'll see the overview of real-time intelligence in Fabric. This is the overall architecture of real-time intelligence in Fabric. We have different components, and we'll see how these different components work together for ingesting, transforming, analyzing, and acting on real-time data. To the left-hand side, we have the different data sources. Fabric supports a variety of sources for real-time data. For example, we could see Kafka topics, SQL databases, Cosmos DB, MQTT brokers, even multi-cloud data sources as well. These are where our streaming events are coming from. Think of IoT sensor data or application logs or social media feeds. All the different streaming events are coming from these sources. Now the first stop for Fabric's real-time pipeline is something called Eventstream. This is the data ingestion and processing layer. Eventstream is responsible for ingesting real-time data into Fabric, transform them by applying some basic transformations like filtering, aggregations, joins, etc., and then route them to different destinations. Now, after data ingestion and doing some basic transformations, now you want to analyze the data. Now you want to query the data and get some data insights. So for that, we have something called Eventhouse in Fabric. Eventhouse is Fabric's dedicated high-performance storage solution for real-time or streaming data. To query this real-time data, we have something called KQL or Kusto Query Language. Now, Kusto Query Language is a read-only query language for fast querying of real-time data. It's a pipeline-based language. For example, let's say you want to select top 10 rows from the table bicycles. The command is bicycles pipe take 10. This gives the top 10 rows from the table bicycles. Now we ingested and processed the data and we analyzed the data. Next what? Next we have to act on that data. Otherwise, what's the point? That's where Activator comes in. Activator allows us to trigger some workflow based on some conditions which are defined by us. Let's say you have some sensor data coming in and you want to keep a threshold for that data. If the value of that sensor crosses that threshold, you want to send an alert, let's say. So those kind of actions are possible by the use of Activator in Fabric. Now from here, the data can be fed into Power BI for data visualizations. We can build digital twins for simulating real world systems in real time, and we could do real time dashboarding as well. Now under the hood, everything sits on OneLake, which is Fabric's unified data lake. This is the reason why our real time data and batch data can coexist together in a single environment, because it is all OneLake. So overall, real time intelligence in Fabric allows us to connect to different live sources, ingest and process them using Eventstream, store and analyze them using Eventhouse and KQL, then take immediate action using activators or visualize the results, all inside a single unified platform. In the next video, we'll see different time windows which are very important for real-time analytics. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.